welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna Tenpencil and I am on this LeetCode problem set. I am doing problem number 49 in Python, which is grouped anagrams. So my cat Jojo and I have read through this question once, actually twice. So I have a pretty solid way I want to start. But this will hopefully make sense to everyone else. Everyone say hi. I'm going to put Jojo down. Hi, Jojo. Hi. She's my little helper. Go have fun. Okay, so group anagrams. Given an array of strings, group the anagrams together. You can return the answer in any order. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all of the original letters exactly once. So they made tea, eat, tan, ate, gnat, bat. Bat by itself, gnat, tan, ate, eat, tea. Same thing, they did an empty one here, and then for here they just did a. So these are the constraints, and I think for me, I want to first start by creating a dictionary to store all of the groups, and then I want to sort the letters and then convert the dictionary values to a list of lists and then return that result, because I think that's how best to handle this. So I want to say anagram groups. And again, this is just creating the dictionary to store this. It's nothing crazy. Ooh, my download just started. I'm downloading my last video. So for words in this string, this array of strings, we want to have sorted words, which equal to join sorted, word. Oh my god, what a great day. I don't know if you guys saw that, but it's done. So this will sort the letters in the words. And then we're going to say if sorted words in anagram groups, then anagram groups sorted word, and then we're going to append it. Append word. Then I'm going to say, I'm not going to say elsel. I'm going to say else anagram groups sorted word, then just equals the word. Okay, perfect. So we will just say that if it's a sorted word, then we append the word. If it's the sorted word and it doesn't need to be changed, like the A, then it's just the word. So from here, we're going to say result is the list of the anagram groups as values, and that's an empty value group. And then we're just going to return the result. Did I read this right? That also felt too easy. The last one felt too easy too. Group anagrams. We're going to read through this one more time to make sure I have this right, but that feels like it shouldn't have been that easy. So, given an array of strings, group the anagrams together. You can return the answer in any order. So I'm not putting them in any order. An anagram is a word or phrase. Okay, we know what an anagram is. So this is what we'd be given, and this is what we're grouping it into. And then let's run it. You never know until you try. Into sorted The name word is not defined. Well, that's because it's not sorted words. It's sorted word. I was thinking groups. Sorted word. The global name word is not defined. Oh my gosh, you guys. For the word in strings. Good grief. I'm a little skeptical. Also, the runtime right now is 34 milliseconds, so hopefully 70. My memory of this is good, though. I beat 93% of users with Python. That's pretty wild. That's pretty wild. What? Considering this is like my fourth, I think, LeetCode problem of the day, I'm impressed. My runtime beats 54, which is over 50, which is perfect. Perfect. Okay. Again, I think this one was mislabeled. I don't know how this is considered hard or medium. I think that was supposed to be easy, but anyway, I will leave this code in my GitHub repo link, which is in the video description down below. You guys are more than welcome to fork and clone, make it better, make it worse, have some fun, learn something new. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And by the way, this did not take 5 minutes. I would like to say that Jojo and I did read through this twice. So think of this more of like a 10 to 12 minute solution if you really like took the time to read the question. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.